Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix low quality videos on Facebook. So let's get started. First of all, go to the Facebook app on your phone, then tap the menu option from there. Then tap the settings option at the top. Here you can see. Then after entering the settings and privacy option, scroll down and find the media option from here. You can see. Then if you want to fix the low quality videos on Facebook, here you can see the video quality option. If you want to high resolution video quality, you have to choose this option, optimize. It's adjust the resolution to network condition obviously, but not the lower resolution shown you. So the other option is um, reduce 3D photo motion option. Here simply toggle it on and this option on, and that's how you can easily fix your low quality videos on Facebook. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.